This is extreme photography. Polar bears, they thrive in the Arctic. We die. Extremely cold today. Not so much the air temperature, it's more a case that this wind is just, well, it feels like 1,000 pins and needles in my face right now. I can only hack this for a few seconds and then I gotta shut off the camera, but minus 25, 50 kilometer an hour winds gusting to 70, windshield out to minus 37. Extreme, yeah, conditions today, so we'll only make 4 or 5 hours and that's all we'll be able to be out here.